Hey, good morning, guys. Let's get this day started. Got a long day. I woke up, sister screaming, crying, whining. Got to get her grass mowed. So we've got a deal where I'll help her mow her grass. Her and her kids come over and help me mow my grass. Hopefully we can get this grass finally mowed. It's about 2 feet tall. So my house is waking up. Hopefully your houses are woken up just like mine is. So got to get this thing going. And again, like I say, never leave home without it, especially out here where we live. Nick.
What?
It's the morning.
He's saying good morning, sweetheart.
Up top shelf, in the door.
Oh,
That's why I used a little bit of it this morning for mine.
I'm making milk.
Mom was going to use that milk. Don't everybody always look so hot and when they first wake up? Ain't nothing like a set of t-shirts and a pair of shorts to turn you on.
We should have got that on camera, shouldn't we? You really did scare me.
Got one on camera.
Huh? Oh, did you? Did you get it when he said boo? Oh. He scared me. Can't give that Cora a hard time.
You so daggone skinny, boy.
Do you want some of this toast?
You look like that damn beanpole.
You want this toast? No, I don't want.
What you doing, Dad?
Hey,
You're on my camera. You like that?
what are you drinking at?
Huh? You say hi.
Oh my goodness, hide who?
The camera. Where you want to go with us?
No. Alright.
You sure you don't want to go, Dad?
You had none just roaming around? I just started out. There you go. We might have you out a little bit, huh? Here, you woke me up. Get up and walk some.
Well, go with us. You want to go into town?
Huh?
You want to go into town?
Oh, I don't think you have to bring me back. I want to do that.
All right. Well, we love you, Dad.
Y'all be careful.
All right. Be good.
I'll have to.
All right, guys. Let's see if we can get it mowed today. And then we got the daggone storm right on our tails. We're gonna see how close to luck we can get. Yeah, look here, guys, it's finally a reality. This fight that I've had since Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and now today, it is finally getting done. So, sadly enough, it has to take a 20-year-old lawnmower to get it done. That's sad. Every newer lawnmower that we have put up and have tried to use out here has failed. I am sweaty. We got rain on our back. It's been raining off and on all day today, but that's okay though. We're still pushing forward to get it done, and I think it's going to be a bad storm. But we got to get this done. It's still got maybe a half acre left to do. My brother is going at it hardcore. He hasn't stopped. I've asked to give him a break, but he says no, so we're going to keep on going, I guess. He won't quit. But man, is it high. This grass is horrible. And this is only 2 weeks. We've had a lot of rain. But let me give you an idea. Look at this grass compared to my ankles. Look how high this is. And that's what we're cutting through.
No, don't. Jeremy, stop.
Nick and Molly.
Something for Jeremy.
Nick and Molly's been on it all day. Yesterday, today.
Great.
Cough it up. Yeah, they do have flasks.
And they're coughing.
Then I can. Look here, guys. It has been accomplished. It is done. I am finally done. Thank the Lord. It's a little clumpy because it went for so long. I mean, I'll have to probably do it again about midweek, but it's finally done. Gotta give thanks to my brother, my grandmother, my sister. You know, so it's been one day of nothing but mowing. But I appreciate you guys.
I need to at least feed him for doing all that work.
Oh yeah.
Your sister wanted me home before it got dark.
Baked chicken.
I just feel like I should feed him.
Wow, that's smart. Look at her. Break the chicken up.
Yep, she did good, didn't she? Did you get you some mashed potatoes, honey?
I did. Alright everyone. It's been a real long and productive day. Got everything done we wanted to get done today. Now it's some family time. Sit down, watch some movies. The kids get in bed. Tell everyone good night. What's up, baby doll? Say hi.
Hey, Charlies.
Here's it.
Remember you.
So, why don't you wear what you were wearing? So we can show them what you're going to wear for school tomorrow.
I didn't want to wear that.
Well, sorry, but the other one's in the shower, and I'm really fixing to sit down and watch a movie, enjoy the rest of my night, edit this vlog. I'm getting a little bit better at editing. So. Still looking for a better software that I can use to edit these vlogs a little bit better. And anybody has any advice, hey, send it my way. Like, share, comment. Let me know what you guys think. What's your opinion? What I should leave out of the vlog, what I should put in the vlog, what you want to see more of. Just let me know. I'd like to know, want to know, want to see what's going on. And your opinion means a lot to me. So I'm going to let you go for the night. Keep it country, guys.